Accidentally deleted an important Instagram DM? Don't hit the panic button just yet. There are ways to try and recover it. Your first and best bet is using Instagram's own data download feature. Head to your profile, tap the 3 lines in the top right, then your activity. And finally, download your information. Request your archive. This can take a few hours to a few days to arrive in your email once downloaded and extracted. Search the message files within the archive for your deleted conversation. If the data archive doesn't contain the message, you might be tempted by third-party recovery tools. It's absolutely crucial to be wary here. Many of these services are ineffective, and some can even be scams or put your account at risk. Always research any tool extensively, read reviews, and understand their privacy policy before proceeding. Any legitimate recovery tool will likely require you to log in through their interface. Simulating an Instagram login, never give your direct password outside of the official Instagram app or website. These tools sometimes claim to access cached data, but their success is not guaranteed, and security risks are significant. Beyond the official data archive, truly recovering deleted Instagram messages is extremely difficult for the average user. Due to Instagram's secure data management and encryption, treat your data archive as your primary recovery method and approach any other options with extreme caution, always prioritizing your account's security.